In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Need for Speed Unbound crashing at startup or not launching. So first, you'll open Steam, find the game, and then right-click on it. Go to Properties, Installed Files, and then Browse. So what you'll find here is the exe folder for the game. You will right-click on it, and then Properties, Compatibility, and then you'll enable these three options here. So click apply and then OK. Try to run the game and see if it works. If it doesn't, go here to verify integrity of game files and click verify. And then it might take a few minutes to finish verifying, and once it's done, you'll go to general. Under launch options, make sure there's nothing is written here. Then close this down and close this down. Now go to NVIDIA. So for the NVIDIA app, it allows you to update the driver for your graphics cards, so make sure you update it. If you have AMD, you can do the same thing. Now here you can do the same thing. If you go to device manager, you'll see your graphics card. You can update it from here. So once you do this, try to open the game and see if it works. If you're still having issues, then I suggest you to uninstall the game. Right click, manage, uninstall, and then go back and reinstall it. And then this time, before starting the game, make sure you go to task manager and disable any softwares running in the background. So you don't want to have multiple softwares running simultaneously. So just right click and then end task. And then at the startup apps, you want to disable any softwares that automatically start when you turn on your computer. So you can do this by right clicking and then clicking disable. So these softwares will automatically start and they will show up over here every time you start your computer. So just make sure you disable as much as possible. And once you do this, you can try to restart the game, and hopefully this should work.